He's like, yeah, no, I'm not interested. Well, then he might smell cheddar, because cheddar is just here, so he's probably going, all right, I smell another one, but I don't see it anywhere. Is that screen down the?
That's locked.
Yeah, but is it screen on the bottom or glass on the bottom?
It's a screen right now.
I can change it.
She's afraid he's gonna
I will
push
just say,
through it.
My recommendation would be to move the glass all the way down, because if he pushes on it, he's gone.
He is pushy. He doesn't.
Oops.
Before he chewed Joey's leash,
Yeah.
he flipped the leash off the hook. When I put it back on, he flipped it back off. And then when I stood on it, he flipped it off a third time. And then looked like, why aren't you running? And looked at the leash, followed it down to my foot, and then pushed me out of the way. So he's smart enough to know if I push it a little bit, it'll give.
Oh.
That's
Oh, it's
water.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Come here, buddy. Let me take that.
Well, I have it on there in case
Okay,
they start
in
a
case they
fight.
get into it, too.
Yeah.
That's about for me.
What you think?